Your new Toyota has some highly advanced safety systems. In this short video, we'll tell you how to use them to give the most enjoyable and relaxing driving experience. First, the PreCollision System, which is always active unless switched off. It uses a radar sensor and front camera to detect objects in front of your Toyota. When the system calculates that a collision is imminent, it sounds a warning and flashes a message on the multi-information display. If it determines the possibility of a collision is extremely high and no action has been taken by the driver, the brakes are automatically applied. The automatic braking will be cancelled if the accelerator pedal is pushed hard, the brakes are applied, or the driver steers sharply as if avoiding the obstacle. Next, we'll take a look at Lane Departure Alert. This function reads the road markings, alerting the driver when the Yaris seems to be drifting out of lane. A warning is displayed on the multi-information screen here, and a warning buzzer will sound. When adaptive cruise control is being used, the Lane Trace Assist feature will also gently steer to keep it in the centre of its lane. The system won't warn the driver or intervene if the indicators have been activated. You can turn the system off at any time using this button on the steering wheel. The car will remember your preference next time you drive. Next, we'll tell you about the Adaptive High Beam System. This uses a front-facing camera to assess the light from other vehicles. It then automatically controls the high beam to give the best visibility without dazzling oncoming traffic. First, check the headlight switch is in the on or auto position. To activate or deactivate the Adaptive High Beam System, push this button by the driver's right knee, then push the indicator stalk away from you. A light will show on the display to show the system is active. Now let's look at Road Sign Assist. This helps keep you on the right side of the law by reading specific road signs and warning you if you're breaking the rules. When the camera recognizes a sign, it will be shown on the multi-information display here. The system will flash a warning to remind you of the road sign instruction. Finally, we'll look at the Yaris's full-range adaptive cruise control. When set, the car will maintain a set speed until it comes up behind another vehicle. It will then stay at a fixed distance behind until the way is clear. To activate the system, press this button on the steering wheel. Then press this switch down to set the desired speed. You can now adjust it by using the up and down buttons. A symbol will appear on the display to show the system is activated. The car will now hold you at this speed as long as the road is clear. If you want to adjust the distance between your car and the vehicle in front, it can be set by operating this switch on the steering wheel. There are 3 choices: 1, long, 2, medium, or 3, short. If the vehicle in front is too close and the car can't decelerate fast enough, it will sound a chime to warn you. Your Yaris may also brake automatically. To cancel the system, simply press this button or touch the brake pedal. You can resume the cruise control at the previously set speed by moving the switch up. Enjoy the advanced safety features of your Toyota and drive carefully.